In this video, I'm going to show you how to install fasteners into your leather products using the arbor press, saving you the hassle of hammering these things together. So stay tuned. So first thing is first, go ahead and clear this out. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and put some kind of hard surface right over it, just like that. Now this thing right here, we're going to have to come up with it. So let me go ahead and take this off. Now I have it loose, usually tying it up from right there. There's a screw inside, just take that off. We're going to slide this off and raise this about right there. Let me open this up. Okay, I don't know where that one went, but anyhow, here we are. So you're going to be using these two steps, and I will show you later on which is for what. But after you do this, you're going to put, I like using a magnet in here, just like this. But by having the magnet, it's going to go ahead and stay there. So you have to concentrate is just lining it up just the right way. Then you could come down with it. So it's a suggestion, putting a small magnet. Now, check this out. I have the magnets I ordered from Amazon. I'll go ahead and put them down there. And all the ones that are broken through time, because I put so much pressure, yeah, that's right. These right here, all the little pieces. All right, so that's number one. Put that magnet right there. Right here on the bottom. Now this kit comes with two of these and one of these to make the actual hole so you could put the actual fastener there. It also comes with this little gadget right here. And I'll show you right now what that is for. But it has two sides. Trust me when I say this, do not use this one that has like a little silver, or the silver nipple sticking out. Don't use that one. It's for a certain part of the fastener that sooner or later is just gonna mess it up. So trust me, just use this for both parts of the fasteners. Now don't forget, when you are gonna make a hole in the leather, make sure you use a cutting board, hardboard, cutting board to be able to do that. You definitely don't want to use this on the metal. It will mess up the tip. You don't want to do that, okay? Always use something like this. I'll leave something like this in the descriptions as well. Okay, here we go. So say this is the part I'm going to want to fasten for whatever reason, because I want a leather toggle or something. Anyhow, so you go ahead, put this there, like I mentioned, just so you could kind of line it up. And you're going to make a hole. There you go. In this instance, I didn't have to use a magnet because I was going to be holding it like that. It doesn't matter though. What you want to do is be able to make the hole it's going to be. It comes with this, which is already the size of these fasteners. So that's always a plus. So you see that hole there, hole there. Once you have that, you take this off. And now you have this part right here. You're going to want to line it up. Now for the fasteners, there's two parts. So let's choose a color for this. What do you want to call this? Raiders gray? I'm not a Raiders fan, or anyhow. Let's go with gold. All right. So there's 4 parts to it. The way I like considering is big parts with big parts, small parts with small parts. So you have these two go together. And the reason these two go together is because you put this on one end and you put this one in the other end. Of course, the leather in the middle. And you're gonna use this one right here to push down into that one, which that's gonna force it to open up. You see that? You put the leather right there in the middle, the leather, and then you're gonna force that to open up and then wedge it in there. So let's see here. So you put this part here, then this part there. So now what you do, you get this one, the one that kind of looks like a bullet. You put it there. We'll go ahead and put it right there, because it has to go right on top of there. You see why using the magnet up there to hold up this works out so much? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this down. Very easily, bring it down. You hear that where that part is opening up. Sorry for the sound effect. Opening up the inner part to hold it in. And there it is, that's this part right here. This is this part, and now the insert has to open up. Let me see if I get a better shot in there. See that? So that's this side. Now we're gonna go to the opposite side. We're gonna have to replace this one right here. Let me do this shot. We'll take this one off. And then we get this one. This one has a little indent inside. Stick it back up there. Now for that side, you're gonna need another 2 pieces. In this case, we have these 2. Come on. There we go. So you can see there's a long one and then a short one. The way these will work, they will work like this. So let me get this end. This one will go through the back to where the hole's at. Just like that. It's gonna come up this way. The small one will come from the top. Just like this. And you can sort of push it down just with your hands. But anyhow, that's the way it should look. Now we'll go ahead and put this here. Let me zoom in again. There we go. Let me center it actually. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's kind of in the middle of right here, not off to the side. And you're gonna come down and very kind of lightly, you're gonna come down. There we go. That's it. You don't need to do a lot. And there it is. So what this does is you can now and now you have a fastener. Now you might think, well, and of course, if you want this side out, you would do it like this. If you want the other way around, then all you have to do is switch these 2 around. So therefore, it'll be like this. Now sometimes it's gonna be a little harder to push in. And that happens when that little tube part is not open all the way. So all you have to do is get the one that looks like a bullet again, push it in there, and then just swivel around, just so it opens up. After that, it should be really easy to go ahead and clip in and out with no problem. Just an extra little tip I found out through time. Now, I personally don't use this hole puncher anymore. Let me see if I could get it. 1 second. Let me show you which one I have. What I did a while ago, I bought this from I think it was Joann's. Anyhow, I'll leave the description down there, a link to Amazon where they have it, where they have different size of the hole punch you can go ahead and do. So all I have to do, say for this instance, instead of having to use that to lighten up and all that, I would just get it exactly where I want a hole and then squeeze to one of these, clear it out, and there it is. All right, so that's just, to me, it's been worked out, you know, a lot easier than saving that process. But putting, like I said, putting a magnet down in here, one of those strong ones, right? So therefore you could just leave it there, line it up. Some people, what they done, they drilled a hole up in there. You could do that if you have the tools, but if you don't, that's something you can do. Then you can just concentrate on lining it up right here. 1 second. Just lining it up, and you should be fine from that. Again, this is just the simple way. I'm gonna leave the descriptions for these and this, so you get it from Amazon. And yeah, these have worked out great. In another video, I'm gonna show you how to do headphone holders with these, and also the catch-all trays. Please like, subscribe, send it to a friend who wants to get into doing something like this. These are not expensive. All right, thank you very much. Bye.